Here is a progression for the lunge matrix. There are 8 positions: forward or anterior, anterior lateral, lateral, posterior lateral, backward or posterior, posterior medial, medial, and anterior medial. The Senaptec strobe eyewear challenges his proprioception to improve dynamic joint stability. The posterior pull from the Keiser functional trainer adds an additional challenge. He has to make rapid adjustments to maintain balance when his moving leg makes contact with the ground. Keeping an upright posture is key to performing this exercise correctly. Exercises need to be progressed to make a full recovery.